Nanababo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to SM Pampanga. For today's video, another sponsored video by Wash Autority. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa Arayat, Pampanga, and I'm gonna tour you to a place they call Bale Batu. So tara, let's go! Alright, so yun guys, we have finally arrived. Medyo nagkaroon lang ng tayong misroute dun sa Google Map. Anyway, so this is the place. So as soon as you enter, you register. Syempre meron tayong contact tracing dito. And yeah, that's the entrance. Let's go! Usually nababasa ko lang siya sa mga articles, napapanood ko sa mga ibang vlogs. I finally see this first hand experience. So meron tayong ano dito, karatula. So basahin natin, okay? Sabi niya dito, Bale Batu, it was Apong Susing's action to encounter against the termite and forest fire. Apong Susing's house was before he built. Bale Batu was made with woods, bamboo, kugon, and talahib. Being situated at the foot of Mount Arayat, it was challenging as he has to repair it from time to time due to termites that destroyed the woods and materials of his house. Ang galing, no? So that was the simple story and the simple solution to a problem made to a really majestic structure na dinadayo po dito sa Pampanga. So yeah, ikot lang tayo, tara! Okay, so entering the main house. Ayan, I noticed before we enter dito sa loob, I also see some other structures na parang ongoing construction, no? The first one is parang tapos na siya. Actually, sinasabi nila the structure or the design of the bahay inspired sa mga Cambodian temple. Something like that. I guess so. Okay. Pasok tayo. So coming in here, ito sa balcony. Ito sa balcony natin. Ayan. So get a closer look dito po sa Bale Batu. And yung sa baba, yung sa first floor niya, it's a little bit creepy. I mean, that's given, no? Wala pong installed electricity to. And this is the back portion. Ayan. This is the back portion. Dito sa section na to parang medyo nagiba or hindi natuloy. Ayan. I can almost imagine kung sigurong buhay pa yung talagang builder nito, it could be really more majestic. Mas majestic pa dito kung sigurong natuloy ito. So, let me tell you how I feel yung experience dito. It's like going to an ancient time where, you know, nature meets the early civilization. Parang ganun yung vibes dito. Because you won't see any like modern style or design. It's all, you know, close to nature. It's all about away from the busy day, the busy city. So I'm gonna include all the details how to get here dun po sa information section natin. So ayun guys, we are so grateful to have a partner dahil nagagawa natin ng mga ganitong klaseng video where we discover great places for Kapampangans and non-Kapampangans as well to you know, discover these places here in Pampanga. So thank you so much, Wash Authority. I think this is the best time for us to talk about our partner business for this vlog. Ano po ba yung benefits ng pagkakaroon ng Premium Nano Ceramic sa mga sasakyan natin?
Actually sir, napakadami niya pong benefits. So highly hydrophobic po siya. Hindi nyo na po kailangan mag-wax. At the same time, dust resistant po siya. Hindi po siya katulad ng mga traditional waxes na malagkit, nag-attract ng alikabok. Yung ceramic coating po is tumitigas. So hindi po siya nag-attract ng mga alikabok. Heat resistant po siya sa mga UV rays, yan. Sa mga UV rays, usually yan, yung mga hood natin, sa mga init ng makina. Napakabilis po mag-paint, diba? Correct. Nakakatulong po siya na ma-preserve yung paint natin. So kapag tayo, nag-ceramic coating po tayo, hindi lang po yung paint yung kino-coating natin, included na po yung mga mags, yung mga ilaw, at the same time mga windows po. I-invite ko po sa bago naming shop, dito po sa may Capitol Boulevard. Malapit po kami sa biggest McDonald's in the Philippines.
There you go!
Sa Capital Town. We assure the quality service we provide. So visit lang po kayo and you can get a great deal with us.
As a Kapampangan, syempre nakaka-proud na merong ganitong structure dito po sa Pampanga, and it is starting to get well known. Nakikilala na po siya through other vlogs as well. Sana, yun nga, ito yung hopeful ako na marami ring mga artists, builders, yung mga philanthropists na will plan to build similar to this one. So it's very close to nature. If you notice, naririnig yung mga huni ng ibon, mga manok. I'm just so happy I arrived. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Thank you so much for joining us in this web story. We are discovering places for you to check out, and it is made possible by Wash Authority. Thanks so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out, guys. Bye.